Okay, today I'm going to mix up some keep you longer salad, and these are the main ingredients. First, you start off with some cottage cheese. There is the layer of cottage cheese in the bottom of the pan. Next, you add a layer of carrots. These carrots have been done up, sliced in a salad shooter with a ruffle cut so they don't stick together. Next, you're going to add a layer of garbanzo beans. There's the layer of garbanzo beans. Next, a layer of ground up onions. Next, use some frozen peas mixed with some corn, and you put them in the Ziploc bags like that, and then about one of these small cups is what you use. That's what it looks like after you add the mix of frozen peas and corn. Next, you're going to add some chopped up broccoli that's been cooked in the microwave. And that's what the mix looks like after you add the broccoli. Then you can see the layers all put together right here. If you look closely, you can see the different layers. There's the layer of cottage cheese, and then the carrots, the garbanzo beans, the onions, the peas and corn right there, and then finally the broccoli on top. Okay, if you'd like some more good ideas, you want to go over to the website, which is wildish1.com. This is how you enter the website, and you go to the visitors link. It says right here, this way to the visitors links. Okay, this is the next page of the website right here, and you want to smarter thinking equals better living, backed by boilerplate credentials with proven life-changing results website. And then you finally click on the next page link down at the bottom right there. Okay, this is the visitor links right here. And now here is some of the visitor links right here. Then if you click at the where it says next page, or most of these links right here, it'll take you to the next page of the website. And this is finally the main event of the website. This is into the next part of the website.